Hello, Smartivity family. Welcome to Smartivity in real life, where we discover the real life principles behind your favorite Smartivity toys. Meet the Smartivity microscope. It uses lenses to magnify small objects so you can see the details that your eyes can't catch. You can use paper, small insects, and even leaves and put them up on slide and use the eyepiece to see things which your eyes can't see. Are you seeing the details? You can't see them with your normal eyes, but you can see with the Smartivity microscope. And here's the real microscope. Scientists use this to study cells, bacteria, and even very tiny organisms in water. These have very strong lenses and sometimes even light to see things in much better details. And this is Smartivity rocket launcher. It uses this rubber to store energy, and when you attach this rocket into it and release this rubber, it releases the energy and the rocket goes up. And here's a real rocket. This rocket uses fuel to go to space, and when this fuel burns, it creates a powerful force which is called thrust. And this force pushes the rocket upwards, just like the rubber bands in your launcher gives your toy rocket the lift. Look around you in an open space and now use Smartivity telescope. This telescope helps us see faraway objects very bigger and very clearer using big lenses. And you can even see distant buildings with it. And here's a real telescope that is used by astronomers. These real and big telescopes are used to see stars, galaxies, and planets that are millions of kilometers away, and they study about them and they research about them. Isn't it amazing that these Smartivity toys works almost like they're real world machines, and learning through play is the best way to understand the world around us. Tell us in the comments which was your favorite toy, and if you want to get your own, you can get them at www.smartivity.in. And also, if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we will meet you in the next one.